Okay. Tour na.
Okay. Hi guys, thank you. I God, it's really, it's really hard. I can't even see him, guys.
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hi guys, good morning guys. Good morning guys. Who is Tommy? Oh, I think Tommy is down here already this morning. So I guess he woke up this morning, go back to sleep. He went down early. Hi! Shout out to Bri. Say hi, Bri.
Hi, bye.
Hi, Bri. Anak siya, han. Anak sa akong ig-agaw.
Huh?
Egg-agaw.
Is that a new kind of egg? What? It's an agaw egg.
Egg.
What happened to chicken eggs?
Ayan. Egg.
Agaw.
Agaw.
An egg of a cow.
No, egg-agaw. We get one word.
Egg agaw. Cow's egg.
Cousin, hon.
That's a cousin.
Yeah.
It don't sound like cousin. Cousin sounds like
That's
cousin.
why we have a different language.
Egg agaw. Different.
Egg-agaw. Hello guys, they just said egg-agaw.
How would you like your eggs, honey? Scrambled, over easy, or agaw?
Agaw.
Agaw. I want my eggs agaw.
Hi guys, good morning. That's not how you spell egg-agaw, huh?
Egg of a cow.
Egg of a cow. Egg-agaw, egg of a cow.
Egg of a cow.
we are watching Friends, guys, and Tammy's working today, and today is the time of the dog shower it. I'm gonna bring the dog to the shower, and then
Shower him up there.
hi guys. Stop it. Stop. You don't listen. What is the beep? Do you want beep? I will beep your ass. Don't me. It's time for you guys to go shower. To go show. Do you wanna go show? Do you wanna go show? Shower. You know, instead of, because it's cold, you know, they get cold in the weather, and especially Miss, they get cold really fast. And so look at this other one while I'm talking right here. She's listening to me, and this is what I do. If I don't give them a shower, this is what I do, guys. I spray this to them. This is the thing when the dog have smell, right? So I spray this, and this is the waterless shampoo spray. This one right here. It smells really good, guys. So today I'm gonna give you 2 shower, okay? We're gonna go to shower, and then after show, I'm gonna blow dry the 2 of you, and then put this to yours, okay? Spray, because I love when you guys smell so good, right, my Roxy? Right? We're gonna go show, right? And then I'm gonna do brush you with this, and then spray this, and then brush together, right? How about you, Misty? Are you excited? Are you guys excited? Are you looking so tired? Oh, you looking too tired. Do you want to go to sleep, or we gonna do shower later? Is that what you want? What do you want? Do you want some bone? Okay, you're a big dog now. You're not a small dog anymore, okay? You're not a small puppy anymore. You are not. Oh, I love Mana. Do you want bunti? Let's go get some bunti. Just done shower, Roxy. Roxy is done showering, guys. So right now I'm going to... Come here, stay. Be a good girl. Are you clean? You guys, it smells good. And you too, look at your hair. It's so fluffy. Laundry. And I have a bag in my thing because I don't have a bucket for clean dry. He tried to open it. Okay, look. You know why he does that? He wanna drop it, and then the lid will give up. It is 10:25 in the evening already. Tam is on the way here. He just called. Okay guys, I'm gonna wait for Tammy, and I'll see you when Tam is here. Okay, I guess Tam is here. That's him, guys. He's home. He's home. Yep, that's him right there. He's here. Daddy's home again. This is a routine. This is a routine. My baby is home finally. He's home finally.
Hi, Ann.
I love you.
Hey, Rock.
They're clean and smell good.
Hi, Bug.
Oh, very fast. Very fast bug.
You jealous that you can't jump up on my shoulder? You jealous, okay?
Yeah, she can jump on your
You're too
shoulder.
big for that crap.
She can.
Only the bug can do that. He's the only one. No, sorry. I don't care. He's it.
Oh, Roxy, you talk to your dada. Guys, this is what I like. My husband have perfect skin, right?
Cute little bug. I do care.
Han, can you just don't do your arm like that, Han?
Oh, you know, that's what he wants to be. I let him be.
Then put him down.
You don't want to be down.
And that's your bad arm. Hobbs, get down. He just put his head like that. He's just leaning like that. Okay, now down now. You don't want... Han?
Tommy, come with me. I just...
She woke up. She's leading. She's leading. She really is get frustrated, huh? You watching House, son? Hi guys, good morning. I'm in the house. Good morning. I'm just gonna do insert shout out with this video, guys, because some people I didn't do a shout out in the other vlog, the last vlog. So I'm gonna do a shout out to Juna Al Musara from Jordan. She's in Jordan right now. Jordana. Hi sis, thank you for watching. And also shout out to... What are you whining, Rox? Okay, shout out to Annalisa Bainusa. And also, she want me to shout out the Sky, Nanat, Bunbun, and also her cats, Kitty, Moy Moy, Nono, and Fufu. Shout out to Gia Clavio. And also shout out to Jennifer Bandiola. Banjula. Hi sis, thank you for watching. Okay, I'm gonna do a shout out to MaryAnn A, Arvanitis, and her fiancé or wife. I'm sorry, your wife, Maria. But thank you for the support of my channel. Tom is right here watching TV. Tired. And guys, the dogs are here with us. So watch out for the next vlog because they are here with us. So anyway, thank you guys. Thank you Brian and Maria Arvanitis. Thank you for watching and thank you for the support. And also shout out to Missy Cervantes. She's from Tondo. You know Tondo, Manila. Shout out to Ninita Rolurata. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. A sneak peek with the dog right here. You want sneak peek with the dog? Roxy's always staring in there because she wants to go Uyuti all the time, and Misty is right here. Okay, say thank you to people. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching guys. See. Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. We're gonna go to bed.
Okay. Tour now.
Okay. Hi guys, thank you. I God, it's really, it's really hard. I can't even see him, guys. I have to do like this.
Yeah, let's do this like that.
No, just. You should put down your knee. Okay. Thank you guys for the greetings. Thank you guys for the wishes.
Well wishes.
Yeah, thank you.
The anniversary
Good
wishes.
night.
Thank you.
Good night also. Night night.
Bye guys.
Night guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.